Alexandr Wang, the silent architect behind the multi-billion-dollar AI revolution. Welcome to Iconic Lives Unveiled. Imagine a revolution underway, where artificial intelligence is transforming every aspect of our lives, from how we communicate, work, to how we move. But behind the smartest AIs, there's a young man quietly building the foundation. He's a self-made billionaire, a programming prodigy, and the mind behind the company that tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI all rely on. Recently, Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg invested $15 billion to bring him to Meta, to lead their superintelligence efforts. Today, we will unravel Alexandr Wang, the silent architect behind the multi-billion-dollar AI revolution. Let's explore the journey of this incredibly talented Gen Z figure, who has become the right hand of the world's smartest AIs. Don't miss this inspiring journey. Hit the subscribe button for Iconic Lives Unveiled right now to explore more great stories with us. Alexandr Wang was born in 1997 in New Mexico, USA. He grew up in a family with a scientific background. Both his parents were physicists who had worked on nuclear weapons projects. That environment quickly nurtured his intellect and curiosity. Wang was a true prodigy. He started coding at the age of 5 and, by 12, was participating in national programming competitions. He wasn't just intelligent, but also incredibly focused and possessed exceptional problem-solving abilities. His childhood wasn't about typical games, but about intellectual challenges and a passion for technology. At 17, Alexandr Wang was accepted into the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, one of the world's most prestigious universities for technology. At MIT, he continued to hone his skills and vision, especially in machine learning and artificial intelligence. However, his college journey didn't last as long as planned. Like many other tech prodigies, Alexandr Wang made a bold decision, dropping out of MIT after just 1 year to dive into the startup world. He believed he could learn more by directly building something. In 2016, along with Lucy Guo, Alexandr Wang co-founded Scale AI. The idea behind Scale AI sounds simple, but is incredibly crucial, providing high-quality labeled data to train artificial intelligence models. Imagine this: for a self-driving car to recognize cars, pedestrians, traffic lights, it needs millions of images and videos that have been precisely marked for each object. This is a colossal task, requiring high accuracy, and it's a bottleneck in AI development. Scale AI solved this problem by combining human and machine power, creating an efficient and reliable data labeling platform. In its early years, Scale AI faced many challenges, but with a clear vision and perseverance, they gradually built their reputation. They not only provided data labeling services, but also developed evaluation tools, helping companies test and improve the performance of their AI models. Not long after its launch, Scale AI quickly attracted the biggest clients in the tech industry. Leading AI companies, from giants like Google and Microsoft to pioneering startups like OpenAI, developer of ChatGPT, all became Scale AI customers. Why? Because data is the oil of the AI era. To build an AI model that can understand natural language, generate images, or even code, it needs to be trained on a massive amount of high-quality data. And that's exactly what Scale AI provides. Scale AI's work, though not as flashy as launching an iPhone or a space rocket, is the core, silent foundation behind every groundbreaking AI achievement. Alexandr Wang positioned his company in an indispensable strategic role in the global AI race. He became the silent hero behind other AI heroes. At 26, Alexandr Wang had become the youngest self-made billionaire in the world. Scale AI, under his leadership, achieved a valuation of over $14 billion, with projected revenues set to reach billions this year. In June 2025, news sent shockwaves through the entire AI industry. Meta, the parent company of Facebook, led by Mark Zuckerberg, invested a colossal sum, nearly $15 billion, to acquire a 49% stake in Scale AI. But this wasn't just a regular investment. As part of the deal, Alexandr Wang will assume a senior leadership role within Meta's artificial intelligence development team, specifically in the effort to build superintelligence, a level of AI that could surpass human intellect. This move indicates that Mark Zuckerberg is making a huge bet on AI and views Alexandr Wang as an indispensable talent in this race. Meta's willingness to spend such a massive amount, and major competitors like Google considering severing ties with Scale AI, highlights the strategic importance of this deal. Alexandr Wang, from a startup CEO, now leads one of the world's most ambitious AI projects at one of the largest tech corporations. This is a major turning point in his career and the future of AI itself. With Alexandr Wang leading the superintelligence effort at Meta, the question arises, what will the future of AI look like? Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, is the ultimate goal for many AI researchers. An AI capable of understanding, learning, and applying knowledge to solve problems like humans, or even better. Wang believes that building AI requires a solid data foundation and rigorous evaluation capabilities. He is in a unique position to shape how the world's largest AI models are built and controlled. Despite concerns about AI's ethics and safety, individuals like Alexandr Wang are at the forefront, not just developing the technology, but also raising questions about its responsibility. The AI revolution is still in its infancy, and minds like Wang's will determine where it goes. Alexandr Wang is not a traditional CEO. He's not known for grand presentations like Steve Jobs, or controversial statements like Elon Musk. He is a true engineer, a problem solver, focused on building solid foundations. His rapid ascent to becoming the youngest self-made billionaire is a testament to how the right vision and excellent execution can create immense impact, even when working quietly behind the scenes. He represents a new generation of tech leaders, individuals who not only possess outstanding technical abilities, but also the strategic foresight to shape emerging industries. He's the person tech giants trust to build the very foundation of their future. Alexandr Wang is a prime example of how the greatest minds sometimes operate most quietly. He is a core architect of the AI revolution, whose work is powering the advancement of one of the most critical technologies of the 21st century. From dropping out of MIT to becoming the youngest self-made billionaire and Mark Zuckerberg's right hand in superintelligence efforts, his journey is a testament to the power of focus, deep expertise, and the ability to see value where few others do. Alexandr Wang's story reminds us that world changers aren't always the loudest, but often the ones who build the strongest foundations. What do you think about Alexandr Wang's role in the future of AI? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you've been inspired by this story, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Iconic Lives Unveiled, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more fascinating stories about the people shaping our world. Thank you for watching.